Hey guys, what is up? Today I want to show you how to get the popular card game Hearthstone onto your iPad in non-supported regions, which now includes the United States and many other places. So the process is pretty simple, and the game is exactly like the desktop client. You can use any account. I'm on the North American server and it logged me in fine. Everything syncs up and you even get a free pack for using it on the iPad, and it's completely free. So what you're going to need to do first is go into your settings application and log out of any iTunes account you have. Just go to the iTunes and App Store, click on your ID, and then click sign out. You're going to need to be signed out for this tutorial, and you're going to need to do everything pretty much the exact same way as I do. So the next step is going to be going to the App Store, and once you're on the App Store, you can just search Hearthstone like I do, and you'll probably see that in the United States one there is none. So what you're going to need to do is click on a free app and pretend to download it because you're not logged in, so we'll just be using this one right here. And when it asks you to log in when you're downloading a free app, you can hit create new Apple ID. So you're going to do that right in there. And make sure it's a free app because you'll need to have proof of a Canadian credit card or payment system if you haven't selected a free one. So for store, we're going to be going down, and Canada has it available, so you can just click on that and everything should work fine. So we'll just be clicking Canada and then hitting next. So you're just going to have to agree to the terms, hit agree, and then now you're going to need to fill in some bogus information. So for me, for my email address, I'll just put in my Gmail, and then I'll put a plus so it becomes a different email address, and I'll just put ca2@gmail, and you can just put in any email that you haven't used with Apple already. And then I'll be filling in my password. And once you've filled out all that random information, you can just hit next. You can just put whatever you want since you're only going to be using this once. Now you should have the none option if you did a free application to prompt this window. Otherwise you'll have to go back and do it how I did it. And once you have none, you can continue. Now iTunes card, you don't need one. So billing address, you're just going to need to put in random information, but you're going to need a legit address. So I pulled up a random McDonald's, so we can just use that right now. So that would be, the address would be 10 Queensway, and then the city would be Ontario, and then the province would also be Ontario, and the postal code would be M6R space 1B4, and then the number would be 416-538-2444. So if you want McDonald's and you live in Canada, you can use that, and then we'll be hitting next, and then the verification will be sent to your email. Alright, so once you go onto your computer and verify it, you can just hit OK, and hit the done, and now your store will turn into the Canadian store, which contains Hearthstone. So you'll just search Hearthstone right there, and you'll see Hearthstone is available to download. I already have it because I showed it off in the beginning, but you can just download that right now with your ID, and then when you're done downloading, you can just sign out and sign back into your main iTunes account. I hope this video helped, and if you liked this video, make sure to head over to freeapplife.com on your iPad, where you can earn gift cards and paid applications for free for supporting developers. All you gotta do is click the download and install the app to your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.